This is not your regular city. This is not the Russia you've seen in textbooks. This is Vladivostok, a city standing proud at the edge of the Pacific, closer to Tokyo and Seoul than to Moscow, a mix of mountains, sea, bridges, and mystery. In this video, I'm not here to tell you how many restaurants are there, how many people live here, or where to find the best hotel. No, I'm here to show you Vladivostok, the way it feels, the way it moves, the way the sea wind touches your face as you walk along the Golden Bridge. This is Vladivostok, Far East Russia, bold, cinematic, and untamed. Let's fly.